My dear loving students, now I want to solve problem number 13 of NCERT and problem number 5 of study material. This problem is very important for the purpose of examination, and it was asked also in the examination. So D and E are points. D and E are points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angle at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. तो क्वेश्चन arises here, how will you solve this problem? कैसे इस सवाल को बनाया जाए? और ये कन्वर्सन का बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको आप जरूर बनाइए. फर्स्ट यू try to understand. It is A square. To find the value of A square in this right angle triangle. BD square. To find the value of BD square in right angle triangle DCB. And doing arrangement, you can solve this problem. My dear student, in this way we select the right angle triangle ACE. Why? Because here the value of A square is given. BD square is given. You must write the value of A square and BD square. And after making arrangement, you can find the value of its value equal to AB square plus D square. Now here there is no D, so join the D and E. Now in right angle triangle ACE, A square plus AC square plus C square, this is equation first. In right angle triangle DCB, BC square plus CD square is equal to BD square. Adding equation first and second, we have A square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus C square plus this is BC square plus CD square. Now make a group AC square plus BC square in a same group and C square plus CD square in a same group. So it will be AB square plus D square. In this way you can solve this problem. Now my dear students, here we want to solve problem number 14 of NCERT and problem number 6 of NCERT book. Problem number 14 of NCERT books and problem number 6 of study material. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to thrice CD. Prove that twice AB square is equal to twice AC square plus BC square. How will you proceed? This is a question. Think on the problem. Here, how will you solve this problem? It is a question. Here you see that the AB square, AC square, BC square, AB square, AC square and BC square. There is no AD. So we have proceed in this way. In right angle triangle ADCB, you find the value of AD. In right angle triangle ADB, you find the value of AD. And equating these two values, you will get the answer. You will get the answer, my dear. Here, from right angle triangle ADC, we have AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. In right angle triangle ADB, we have AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Equating first and second, we have AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. What you have to prove? AB square, AC square, BC square. AB square, AC square and BC square. So convert CD and BD in term of BC. This is a question. How will you convert it? How will you change CD in term of BC? How will you change BD in term of BC? This is a question. My dear student, BD by CD is equal to 3 by 1. Because thrice CD is equal to BD. Adding 1 both sides, BD by CD plus 1 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 1. BD plus CD by CD is equal to 4. So BC by CD is equal to 4 by 1. Similarly, CD is equal to BC by 4. Again, CD by BD is equal to 1 by 3. So CD by BD plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1. And it will be CD plus BD by BD is equal to 1 plus 3 by 3. So BC by BD is equal to 4 by 3. So BD is equal to 3 by 4 BC. In this way you can solve this problem. Now my dear student, from third, fourth and 5 we have AC square minus BC by 4 का whole square. AB square minus 3 by 4 का BC square. AB square, try to understand. From third, fourth and 5. From third, 4 and 5. What is in third? AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. This is important. Now put the value of BD in term of BC. And put the value of CD in term of BC. So now, putting this value, AC square minus BC by 4 whole square, plus AB square minus 3 by 4 BC square, AC square minus BC square by 16 is equal to AB square minus 9 by 16 BC square. So 16 AC square minus BC square by 16 is equal to 16 AB square minus 9 BC square factorial 6. So now 16 AC square minus BC square plus 9 BC square is equal to 16 AB square. So what do you observe? Taking common 16, it will be 16 AC square plus 8 BC square is equal to 16 AB square. So taking common 8 both sides, it will be twice A square plus B square is equal to twice AB square. In this way we can solve this type of problem. Thank you very much.